Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Adil Muballig. So today is our class 3 of Adobe Premiere Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to use Ripple Edit tool, Rolling Edit tool and Stretch tool.
So here you can see that I have these videos to edit. First of all, I will trim them, and after that I will drag them into the timeline. First of all, let's see Ripple Edit tool. If you trim your video by using a Ripple Edit tool, your other videos will attach automatically with your trimmed video. But if you trim your video with selection tool, it will leave a gap between two clips. Now let's talk about the rolling edit tool. Suppose you want to increase your one video's duration and at the same time you want to decrease your other video's duration. In that case, you should use the rolling edit tool. At last, the red stretch tool. By using this tool, you can control your video speed. If you increase your video's duration, then it will make a slow motion video, and if you decrease the duration, it will create a fast video. There is another way to control your video speed. Just right click on your video and select speed and duration. Here you can control your video speed by typing the number. 100% is the original video speed, and if you write 50%, it will create a slow motion video, and if you write 200%, it will create a 2x fast video. If you want to create a reverse clip, then just click on reverse speed.
So that's all everyone, that's all for today. I will see you guys in my next class. Till then, goodbye.
Thank you.